Hey there! Time sure flies, doesn't it? Here is just a simple introduction to our company Winnerpak. To let you know more about us. The origins of Winnerpak date back to the 7th of July 1990, when the young craft apprentice Wang Lian Chen and his elder sister, Mimi Chen, started out in the gift box business in Jiang, 380 kilometers far from Guangzhou. In 1995, Winnerpak grew to be the local top 3 gift box manufacturer in Jiang City. Growing with 208 skillful handcraft workers, products include jewelry boxes, cosmetic boxes, watch boxes, perfume boxes, toy boxes, and tea boxes, all sell to the local market. Winnerpak built its branch workshop in Zhongshan City in 2000, as at that time, Zhongshan is an old packaging base with a full industry chain of packaging products, including raw materials, skilled workers, and wholesale markets. Guangzhou is the largest economic center in South China, and each year has Canton fairs for gift shows. Therefore, we established the Packaging Showroom and Design Center in Zhujing New Town, Guangzhou, and since 10th February 2004, we started exporting jewelry and gift packaging to overseas customers. AK Jewelry and Gem Fair is famous for jewelry events all around the world. To show our new concept designs of jewelry packaging and displays, the sales team started the SEP HK Jewelry Fair as exhibitors each year since 2006 to see more opportunities and customers in the industries. Quality control is our main management in the daily mass-producing work. We want to be your trusted packaging partner in China for long-term business relationships. In 2010, we built 6 gift box automatic lines and 8 half-automatic table lines with 100,000 piece/day producing capacity and have our dust-free workshops for food packaging. In 2012, we service 84 top brand customers in the world, including Pandora, Sunlight, Avon, Sephora. In 2021, Winnerpak total services more than 1,200 customers with 98% positive reviews. Therefore, if you have luxury packaging projects, just mail us. Winnerpak@winnerpak.com or chat with us online. 86189-2273-8146. Waiting for your news. That's all for now. See you soon.